Hi everybody, Tony Lawand. I'm here at Collision 2024. What a great show. Everybody's here. You got 38,000 people have come into this show. You can look at the buzz behind me. It's really, really good. This is day 3. Normally day 3 in the show is a lot more quieter. This is not quiet. Oh, follow me over here. Look at the startups. This is just one section of startups. Okay. These are startups that would not normally get a chance to have 38,000 people. Think about that number, 38,000 people walk in front of them and decide. There's VCs, there's investors. Yeah, there's anybody that they're looking for is sitting in here today, yesterday, the day before, and since Monday. We're gonna say goodbye. We're gonna have a highlight reel for you. Watch out for it, share it. And do not miss this next year. It is going to Vancouver, Web Summit 2024, May 25th, 2024. Collision will move to Vancouver. You do not want to miss it. It is fantastic.
From Taiwan Star Terrace. I'm here to promote Taiwan Star ecosystem. We have the strongest manufacturing, supply chain, and the best chip producer, and integration of software. Find us on starterrace.tw.
Oh, hi, my name is Nina from Choose Europe. We are a collaboration of European cities. And what do we do here? We try to attract startups, talents, and companies to come and set in Europe and in our regions. Because Europe is the place to be. We have the best quality of life. We have access to talents, to startups. You can explore our cities. It's the historics. It's from history and from culture. And so just come here and get in touch with us at chooseeurope.com.
Hello, I'm Dmitry from BCAM Electronics. We're a company from Latvia doing stabilizing system solution. Latvia is good at engineer talents. We have very friendly people and nice weather, and it is a beautiful country. You can find us at basecamelectronics.com.
All right, so I'm Sunil Sharma. I've been the co-host here at Collision and many of the web summits. Very active tech investor with Techstars and Founder Institute and Extreme Ventures. And well, Qatar is I think I learned about it through their World Cup efforts, and that led me to believe something's going on there. I didn't know exactly what, but what I saw was a commitment to innovation and investment and to their cities. Doha in particular is incredible, and I really see a vision for the future there. You'll find me at Feedback, so feedback.qa.
Hi, I'm Katija from Startup Montreal. I have over 2,000 startups in Montreal, and the number is growing every day. We are in specific industries like deep tech or med tech or quantum also. Like Quebec is one of the most advanced places in the world for research in this kind of industry. You can find us on startupmontreal.com.
Hi everybody, Tony Lawand. I'm with Ankita Sharma. Tell us what you do.
Absolutely. I'm the founder of a company called Fer AI. We have developed a software that enables home buyers to track their closing journey from beginning to end. So if you're
Transparency.
Complete transparency. It's almost like tracking whatever the lawyer is doing, how your property is going from point A to point B, without having to call the lawyer or email them. You would be able to log into your platform and see where it's going. You don't have to call your realtor, mortgage broker, or your lawyer. Everything is on your platform. Just log in and see how your transaction is going.
I just went through the transaction, so this sounds like a fantastic opportunity, a fantastic platform. How do I find you?
Go to our website, www.phyla.ai, and you'll be able to work with our amazing service providers.
All right, terrific. All right, you guys got that? Check them out.
I'm Stephen Lund. I'm the CEO of Toronto Global. We work with companies around the world to help attract them to Toronto. Toronto is the business, the financial, the tech center of Canada. It's one of the fastest growing cities in North America. It's the first or second fastest growing tech center in North America. We're the third largest, we're the second biggest financial center We're the center, we're the founding place of AI is right here in Toronto. We compete with the world and we win.
My name is James Castle. I'm the owner of Cybersecurity Global Alliance. We're one of the world's largest cybersecurity hubs, operated in 21 countries globally today. We work with governments and associations and groups all over the globe in order to providing up-to-date cybersecurity and defense systems. Our website is csga-global.org.
Hi there, my name is Carolyn McClendon and I work for Expansion, and we're a team that is dedicated to helping startups from a human capital perspective. Founders get to focus on their product and making their clients happy. We take on the HR, build out the process, do the recruitment, and make sure that you grow and scale and retain your staff. If you want to know more about us, find us on LinkedIn at My Expansion or visit our website csga-expansion.com.
Hi everybody, Tony Lawand, One World Media. I am here at Collision 2024 in Toronto. What a great show, 38,000 people. And I want to introduce you to one of those 38,000, Justin Rosenberg from Blockmate. Justin, tell us what's Blockmate all about?
Blockmate builds blockchain companies from scratch within. And our first asset is Hivelo, which is a deep-in aggregator, decentralized physical infrastructure networks. And we've been able to turn the deep-in model on its head so that the deep-in investors like Web3 funds that invested into Hivelo, such as NGC Ventures, Blockchain Founders Fund, IDG, MEXC Exchange. And so Hivelo presented them with the unique opportunity to access several deep-in protocols at once. We think that private companies are actually valued more than public companies at the moment because you've got such a strong VC community, and in the public markets there's not the same education about technology and certainly Web3. Give us your email address on blockmate.com and we will keep you posted of the Hivelo token raise that's due 31 August of this year and the other projects that Blockmate has in the pipeline.